हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे आपको इंग्लिश यूपीएससी इंग्लिश के पेपर के बारे में। जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, इंग्लिश कंपलसरी पेपर, इसका टाइम अलॉट है 3 आवर्स और मैक्सिमम मार्क्स मिलते हैं इसमें 300। तो अब हम बात करते हैं स्पेस। ये सिर्फ क्वेश्चन पेपर, इसे आप लोगों को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, इसे मैं नहीं बताऊंगा, आप लोगों को स्वयं सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा। अब है क्वेश्चन पेपर स्पेसिफिक इंस्ट्रक्शन। प्लीज रीड ईच ऑफ द following instruction carefully before attempting question. All question are to be attempted. The number of marks carried by a questions is indicated against it. Answers must be written in English only. Word limit in question wherever specified should be other to. Any page or portion of the page left blank in the question come answer booklet must be clearly struck off. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, राइट एन essay in about 600 words on any one topics. ऑप्शन है ए नंबर, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ द क्राइसिस इज इंडियन फेसिंग, मोरल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक, एंड बी है पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन स्पोर्ट्स हेल्प डेवलप गुड कैरेक्टर। सी नंबर है, शुड स्टूडेंट बी अलाउड टू ग्रेड देयर टीचर्स, और डी नंबर है not everything that can be counted counts and not everything that's counted can be counted. नेक्स्ट पे आते हैं हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे। रीड केयरफुली द पैसेज बिलो एंड राइट योर आंसर्स टू द क्वेश्चंस that follow in clear, correct and concise language. A complete reading program therefore should include 4 factors: at least one good book each week, a newspaper or news magazines of comment and interpretation, and book review. If you keep feeding your intelligence with these four foods, you can be sure that your brain cells will be properly nourished. To the must be added the digestive process that come from your own thinking and from discussion with individuals or groups. It is often desirable to make books that you own personally part of your mind by underlining or by marking in the magazines the more important statement. This will help you to understand the book as you first read it, because out of the mass of detail you must have selected the essential ideas. It will help you to remember better the gist of the book, since the physical act of the underlining with your eyes on the page tend to put the thought more firmly into your brain cells. It will save time whenever you need to refer to the book. And next, above all, never forget that to creative intelligence is the correlation of facts and ideas, not mere memorizing. What counts is what you can do with your knowledge by linking it with other things you have studied or observed. If you read Pleasure's Life of Julius Caesar, think how his rise to political power paralleled the technique of Adolf Hitler or that of your legal political boss. If you read a play by Shakespeare, think how his portrayal of the characters help you to understand someone you know. In everything you read, keep at the back of your mind what it means to your life here and now, how it support or challenge the things you were taught in school, in church and at home, and how the wisdom you get from books and guide you in your thinking, in your career, in your voting as a citizen, added in your personal morals. और इसके क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर द 4 थिंग्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ए कंप्लीट रीडिंग प्रोग्राम एंड वाई। आपको आंसर देने हैं इनके। बी नंबर, व्हाट विल सी इज रिक्वायर्ड टू फीड योर इंटेलिजेंस। सी, व्हाट डज द राइटर recommend underlining or marking in the margin the more important statement. D number, what use can you put your knowledge to? E, how can what you learn from books help you in your life? ये 15 नंबर के क्वेश्चन है. Make a parasite to following passages in about one third of its length. Please do not give it a title to it. Precise should be written in your own language. In the centuries has the in the famous phrases made the world safe for the democracy. The next challenge is to make a world safe for diversity. It is in India's interest to ensure that the world as a whole must reflect two ideas